got on all blue today, but I'm not blue. I'm in a great mood. I got Mr. Rich back. He's back healthy. He's back at the shop. I'm excited. He's looked like he's excited, like he was tired of being home. So, oh man, we back. But as you can see, we got the convertible seats and interior out of the raffle car, and we're not C-No. Mr. Rich said this is the C-No.
This is the name of this car, C-No.
So we see that you can see where they put the new floor in here. That's where it was welded in. You can see the weld line in the back that goes over. So the floor pan that they actually put in the car, it's not perfect, but it's not that bad. The butt seats that they don't make patch pans for, that Mr. Rich made from scratch on the Alabama car, we pulled that up. They're good, but it's the outside by where the seat belt holes are. You know, there has to be a patch made there on both sides. We got to grind all of that down and kind of inspect those, but that's the same pieces you made on Lofton car.
Yeah, I can make all this stuff. That's I've done it before. They cut the seat belts out and left them tucked under the seat.
Yeah. And
they probably couldn't get the bolts out.
Yeah, the bolts probably was rough.
Because it had no front seat belts.
Now these parts, if you remember from the Alabama car, they don't make these as well. The patch pans that you get the CDC will cover where your feet go.
Here
so
and
here,
here,
you know, but all of this here has to be made from scratch. You know, because it's not a aftermarket piece for this. But overall, it's not a bad, you know. Now you got up here.
There's no cowl pieces on both sides. They both brought it out.
Yeah. Trying to figure out all of these wrong wires. We could just take all of that out.
Nasty these
brand new wires and be done with it.
See how that's all nasty there? That's the original harness. And then them
that's
speakers.
What he said that he bought a new motor, but it wasn't working.
Right. Well,
so Mr. Rich is showing you why it ain't working. You can look at the motor, it's not installed correctly. All the screws are not in, and then the wires is like, you know, my youngest son did. You know, Tyson is not certified for this stuff. So the only way you'll really know, guys, what's going on with your floor pan, you know, is to do just this. Take the carpet out, take the seats out to kind of get like a thorough inspection. And then even with this, a lot of this stuff Mr. Rich is going to grind down, and it's probably going to open up some more things that you don't see. But this is the only way to kind of go at it, because even if you get under the car, you're going to, like, we saw some things when we had it in the air, but this is really going to show you everything with the floor. Like, and you can see over there, it's not like how you say it's bubbling up here. It's already coming through, right over there to the left of where your finger is, right up under
this is supposed to be solid under here.
Yep.
That's gone. These are all bubble ups coming through. This is all bubbled up, so it'll be, you know, new pieces in. We won't have to get extensive because a lot of it's still good, but we got to stiffen up what's bad. But I'm gonna pull the inside trims off and see what we got going on in the wheel wells, because as history has showed us, them wheel wells, unless they're done right, are done wrong. Oh yeah, she's just a rattle can.
This is what it's supposed to look like. How solid that is. It's a brace, a support brace that goes behind the quarter panel. You know, well, that's totally loose, dangling on that one, rotted out. You know, so just more stuff. Once you take that cord off, all of that stuff can be, you know. So you got the good, what it looks like with the quarter off, how it attaches, the functionality, the stiffness of it. Yeah. You know, now come over here and see the coat. That's that piece is not even attached to the wheel well.